Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about what are the visa types in the US. There are three types of student visas to the US. First of all, I will talk about F1 student visa. Students applying for a program which requires more than 18 hours of study in a week require an F1 visa. This includes all undergraduate programs as well as graduate programs like MS, MBA, etc. Spouses or children accompanying F1 visa recipients will travel on an F2 visa. And please note that spouses are not able to work but may accompany and or apply for their own visa to the US to work or study. If I talk about J1 exchange visitor visa, the J1 exchange visitor visa is for students visiting scholars or lecturers pursuing an exchange program. For example, Fulbright scholars and many students on short term study abroad programs from Indian universities will travel to the US on a J1 visa. J1 visa is usually sought by a working professional who goes to America on the exchange program. Hence the name exchange visitor visa. These may include a 10-month vocational training or some research fellowship. Whichever be the case, the applicants would be notified for the same by the respective institutions. If I talk about spouses or children accompanying J1 visa recipients will travel on a J2 visa. And please note that spouses are able to work when permission is obtained in advance. If I talk about M1, vocational or non-academic student visa. The M1 visa is a type of student visa reserved for vocational and technical schools. While the process remains similar to an F1 visa, the difference is that on entering, the M1 visas are time stamped and students cannot overstay their visit. Is it? So if you have any kind of query, you can share your query in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. And you can also share your profile on my WhatsApp number 99146 15605. Our counselors will definitely guide you and we will guide you free of cost. We don't take any kind of charge. And one more thing, we will guide you also what is better for you, which country is better for you, which university is better for you, which course is better for you. Thank you so much. Be happy and take care.